Hey guys, welcome back again to Devhoot. Today I am going to start a brand new series on gatsby.js. Now this is a very beginner level series, which means that there are no prerequisites to this series. This series is intended for everyone who wants to get started with web development using Gatsby. So even if you don't have any significant web development experience, that's fine. We are going to cover everything in this series and get you up and running with developing websites and web apps with Gatsby. Okay, so if we are gonna stick around during the duration of this series, then I think you should know a bit about me. So hello, my name is Imran Khan and I build experiences on the web. I'm very passionate about web development and I am an open source fanatic and a lifelong smoothie lover. Gatsby allows you to enjoy the power of latest web technologies such as React.js, Webpack, modern JavaScript and CSS and much more, all set up and waiting for you to start building. Another advantage of using Gatsby is that you can bring your own data from any source. You can pull your data from headless CMSs, SaaS services, APIs, databases, any file system, or more directly into your pages using GraphQL. Moreover, Gatsby builds sites as static files, which can be deployed very easily on a dozen of services. And Gatsby scales very well. Also, Gatsby.js is a static PWA generator. You get code and data out of the box. Gatsby loads only the critical HTML, CSS, data and JavaScript, so your site loads as fast as possible. Once loaded, Gatsby prefetches resources for other pages, so clicking around the site feels incredibly fast. Gatsby.js builds the fastest possible website. So instead of waiting to generate pages when requested, you can pre-build pages and lift them into a global cloud of servers which are ready to be delivered instantly to your users wherever they are. So this is how Gatsby works. There are a number of data sources such as CMSs like Contentful, Drupal, WordPress, etc. Markdown data sources such as documentations, posts, etc. And finally, data which you can access via APIs, databases, YAML, JSON, CSV, etc. So what Gatsby does is it fetches data from any of these sources and it triggers a build process. The result of this build process is HTML, CSS and React code, which you can deploy to any static web host services such as Netlify, GitPages, Surge.sh, which is amazing, and Amazon or any other static service. So now when you finally know what Gatsby is and how it works, I'm sure you're very excited to dive in. The contents of this series will be: first, setting up our Gatsby development environment, then getting to know Gatsby building blocks, which involves seeing how to start new projects, develop and deploy sites. Then I'll introduce how to use CSS in Gatsby. We'll together explore libraries like typography.js and CSS modules. And finally, we'll take a look at how to build nested layouts in Gatsby. Layouts are basically sections of your site that are reused across multiple pages like headers and footers. This is all we will cover in this series. After this series, probably I'll do another series which will include advanced tutorials on Gatsby.js covering advanced topics. But that's for future. Now in the next video, we'll see how to set up a Gatsby development environment.